Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 13. Today we're diving into a fundamental concept in programming, while loops. Loops are essential tools in MATLAB, allowing you to repeat blocks of code efficiently. They are crucial for tasks that require iteration until a specific condition is met. Our hook for today, loop till perfect, while magic. This phrase captures the power of while loops to keep iterating until that perfect condition is satisfied. A while loop executes a set of statements repeatedly as long as a specified condition remains true. It's ideal when you don't know the exact number of iterations beforehand. Understanding the basics of while loops is key to writing efficient and controlled code in MATLAB. Let's look at the components. The basic structure in MATLAB is simple. It starts with while, followed by the condition, and ends with the end keyword. The condition is a logical expression. As long as this condition evaluates to true, the code inside the loop will continue to run. Let's demonstrate a practical example, calculating a cumulative sum until it reaches a specific threshold. We want to sum consecutive integers until the total reaches 100. First, we initialize our variables. N is the number we're adding, starting at 1, and S is our cumulative sum, starting at 0. Our while condition is while S is less than 100. The loop will keep running as long as the cumulative sums hasn't reached 100 yet. Inside the loop, we update our sum S by adding the current number N to it, and then we increment N by 1 to prepare for the next iteration. When we run this code, it iterates, accumulating the sum until the condition is finally false. The output will be the final values of S and N. Now that we've seen a practical example, let's look at some best practices to ensure your while loops are robust and safe. A critical warning. Infinite risk, use break. If your condition is never met, your loop runs forever, freezing your program. The break command is your safeguard. Always ensure there's a mechanism to make the condition false. Use the quote statement with an additional safeguard condition for immediate exit if necessary. A common and powerful use for while loops is continuous data processing, like data import. The loop can run until all data has been successfully imported or processed. That wraps up our lesson on while loops. Mastering them opens up many possibilities for automating complex, iterative processes in MATLAB. Remember that while loops are perfect for tasks where the number of iterations is unknown and depends on a dynamic condition, they are essential for flexible and intelligent programming. Join us next time as we continue our journey through MATLAB, building on these foundational looping concepts. Practice these skills, and happy coding!